You're seeing teenagers make fortunes on this thing called cryptocurrency, but you don't know what it is. It sure seems valuable, and it doesn't sound like it's going anywhere. So if you can't beat them, join them, right? Welcome back to the Financial Beanstalk. My name is Nick, and today we're talking about how to get free cryptocurrency. And I know that things that sound too good to be true are generally too good to be true, but trust me here. Or don't, because this is not financial advice. One more quick disclaimer, the comment section is going to be flooded with scams, but unfortunately, Mr. Anthony can't 10x your money or change your life. That one is too good to be true. Maybe like me, you've been a little hesitant of cryptocurrency, because you hear from some people that it's fake internet money, but people seem to be making real money with it, and then you hear that it's going to completely change the world, but it's also going to completely dismantle our financial system, which is a little scary. Look, I get it. There's a lot that goes into cryptocurrency, and each of these coins have a different goal or purpose to solve some sort of real world problem, at least from my understanding. But that's not what we're gonna cover today. Today, we just want some free money with pretty much zero risk.
It's my money, and I need it now!
At least this way you can get some skin in the game without completely FOMOing. And for me, I'd say that probably close to 75% of the crypto that I own has come from these various programs and services that give you a little bit of it for free, which is the whole purpose of this series. And that way, if crypto is a sham, I'll be okay. Not only that, the crypto market kind of crashed recently. And I didn't really care because most of my crypto I've gotten for free. I also have a long-term outlook with crypto, like I do with my normal investing, because I don't think that the true potential of it will be realized for quite a while. But I'd rather invest a little with the potential to lose it than completely miss out. Maybe I am FOMOing. But I'm just scratching the surface, and like I said, I still have a ton to learn. So let's talk Coinbase. Just to keep it simple, Coinbase is like the Robin Hood of cryptocurrency, but with far less controversy. Basically, it's just a place where you can buy and sell these various coins, just like a stock. They've been around for quite a while. They're one of the largest crypto exchanges that are out there, and they recently became a publicly traded company on the stock exchange, which kind of legitimizes them in some people's eyes. And maybe I'm biased because it's the first one that I used, but they seem like a solid company, and I'm pretty sure they won't run away with your money. Enter Coinbase Earn. Coinbase Earn allows eligible customers to learn about different cryptocurrencies via educational content. Eligible Coinbase users are able to unlock lessons on top of the content where they can earn crypto. Basically, all you do is watch a little video or a slideshow like this. Okay. Then, you take a quiz after each section, and for each question you get right, you get some of that cryptocurrency you just learned about deposited into your Coinbase account. From there, you can do whatever you want with it. It's your coin. You can sell it for cash, you can convert it into a different crypto, or you can hodl it, or hodl it. Here's all the options that I've seen on there so far. And we'll go through them pretty quick, so I'll also leave them in the description below. $3 of the Graph, $3 of Ampleforth Governance, $3 of SKALE, $3 of the Band, $3 of Numeraie, $3 of Nucypher, $5 of Zcash, $6 of Tezos, $6 of Celo, $6 of Maker, $6 from UMA, $6 from Algorand, $6 from Filecoin, $9 from Compound, $10 of Stellar Lumens, $10 of EOS, and $12 of Orchid. So in total, I've seen $100 that they've given away through Coinbase Earn. Now they don't have the big dogs on there like Bitcoin and Ethereum, because those are popular enough where they're not just gonna give those away. Initially, you had to sign up on a waitlist, and they said they would email you once you were off that waitlist so that you could take the course to earn. but I never got an email notifying me that I could take any of them. I just randomly opened the app one day, went down to the earn section, and saw that one of them was available. So I went through it. And I still haven't gotten a notification that any new ones are available. So it's a good idea to just open the app, check the earn section, and then go through it, because they allocate a certain amount of these coins for the earn section. And once they're gone, and you don't have any chance to earn them. And some of them don't even show that they were in the earn section or that I earned them. So you gotta be pretty quick on them. So what have I done with the ones that I've earned? For the most part, I have converted them into the big dogs like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. But I've also held on to a handful of them once I actually took the course and learned what they did, because I thought they were pretty interesting. Coinbase Earn courses have actually taught me quite a bit about crypto overall, so check it out. And as I was looking back at this, some of the coins have seen insane price increases since being on there. The graph, for example, was sitting at about 18 cents per coin once it hit earn, and now it's sitting at around 80 cents. Of course, that's going to change by the time this posts, but that's about a 500% increase, which you really won't see anywhere else except the crypto market. I think with all of these coins that are out there right now, you have to be really careful with where you're putting your money. But once it hits Coinbase, that kind of legitimizes it as a project. It obviously gets hit to a broader audience, and once people learn about them in the earn section, more people will adopt them, which of course gives them the potential to go up. Does crypto only go up? Don't be ridiculous. Even the ones I have converted though, have been doing pretty well, so I'm not too worried about it. Coinbase Earn actually goes beyond just the courses, because you can earn $10 in Bitcoin per person that you refer to Coinbase. Now they do have to trade $100 of crypto on the platform for you to receive your reward, but I've done plenty of referral bonuses where I just sign up, do whatever it takes to get the extra money, and then run. But unfortunately, I don't have any friends, so I haven't earned any money that way yet. There's one more way to earn free crypto on Coinbase, and it's called staking. If you haven't figured out by now, I'm no expert on crypto, but basically staking just means you're putting your coins up to help verify transactions on the blockchain. And for doing this, you earn a little bit of interest in that coin. Now you can't just stake any coin and earn more of it. It is limited to a handful of them. But right now, you can earn 0.15% on USD coin, which is Coinbase's stablecoin, 2% on DAI, 4.63% on Tezos, 5% on Cosmos, and 6% on Algorand. You're not going to find these interest rates on any bank account, so I have contemplated putting more into them. Right now, I only have a few dollars invested into each of them, so I'm only earning pennies, but hey, it's still passive income. So that's Coinbase Earn in a nutshell. Of course, I will leave links in the description below to all of this. And like I said, I've earned free crypto from a handful of other methods, so I'll be making some videos about that as well. So again, you can get some skin in the game with very little risk. So YouTube mumbo jumbo, that subscribe button, that like button, and that bell notification so you don't miss any future videos. I truly appreciate you watching, and let's continue to grow this beanstalk.